Everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Gemmy AI chat and assistant application. So it's really simple. First of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone, then simply tap on the open button. Then you can see the welcome page powered by Google Gemini. So simply tap here to continue, and if you want the premium version then you can buy, but I will not do it. So simply tap here the cross. So here you can say unlock. If you want to more, then you can create your account. It's really simple to Google. So chat, like you can write anything. uh, I'm just write something. So you can see here, this is a message powered by Gemini, and if you want to upload photos you can tap here the photo. You can upload photo from your photos, and you can tap here talk if you want to speak. And also there are many things here. Explore, you can see. Get advice what to eat, like the explore, you can advise something, you can see. And images, right here turn your ideas into images. Images, images free. Okay. Aspect ratio, okay, just keep it here. Style, you can set the style like 3D. And right here create a fish that flying, that create a fish with water. I just write something, and what will be result you can see. So like you can actually create image also, and generating image through this app. So you can chat, you can get advice. If you face problem, then you can upload the study material. So you can see it looks so nice, and you can download this image from here. And you can see here you will create 4 images. So this is image and more. You can see here message quota out of 10, like you'll get 10. You can give 10 messages every day. So if you want to unlock, then you have to buy the premium subscription.